Welcome to our channel. Knowing your credit score is essential for financial health and planning. Here's how you can access your credit score through various legitimate methods. Step 1. Visit annualcreditreport.com, the only federally authorized website for free credit reports. You can access reports from all 3 major credit bureaus once per year at no cost. Step 2. Many credit card companies now offer free credit score monitoring to their cardholders. Log into your credit card account online and check if this service is available in your account dashboard or settings. Step 3. Use reputable financial services like Credit Karma, Credit Sesame, or Wallet Hub, which provide free credit scores and monitoring without requiring a credit card or subscription. Step 4. Your bank may offer free credit score access as part of your checking or savings account benefits. Check your online banking portal or mobile app for a credit score feature. Step 5. Consider purchasing your FICO score directly from myfico.com if you need the specific score that most lenders use for loan decisions. Step 6. Review your credit report carefully for errors or fraudulent activity. If you find inaccuracies, dispute them with the credit bureau to improve your score. Step 7. Monitor your score regularly to track improvement and identify any sudden drops that might indicate identity theft or reporting errors. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.